Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, in our previous lectures, we completed chapter 1 to 5. Today we will learn a short recap of chapter 1. But first of all, we learn about Vandana. Vandana means prayer. There are 4 shlokas given here. So, the first shloka is या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्ये 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 नमो नमः. It means you know about Vasant Panchami. Vasant Panchami celebrated as Saraswati Puja. Saraswati Puja is a symbolism in Hinduism which brings to light the place knowledge occupies in our culture, and that is of worship. We owed a lot to the Indians who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile scientific discovery could have been made. Now our second shloka is Pathami Sanskritam Nityam Vadami Sanskritam Sada Dhyayami Sanskritam Samyak Vande Sanskrit Mataram. It means I always read Sanskrit, I always speak Sanskrit, I meditate Sanskrit well, I bow to the mother Sanskrit language. Our third shloka is Shubham Karotu Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampadam Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya Dipjyotir Namostute. It means salutations to the light of the lamp which brings auspiciousness, health and prosperity, which destroys inimical feelings. Salutations to the light of the lamp. And second meaning is do auspiciousness, well-wishing, healthy and wealthy, bowing to you for destruction of enemies, evil thoughts. Now our fourth shloka is Mukam karoti vachalam Pandu langhyate girim Yat krupa tamaham Vande Paramananda Madhavam. It means I remember with devotion to the divine grace of Krishna, who can make the dumb speak with eloquence and the lame cross high mountains. I remember the extol that grace with which flows from supreme bliss manifestation of Madhava. Now we will move on our first chapter. Chitrapadani 1. Chitrapadani means words through pictures. There are given some pictures and their Sanskrit names. We have to learn that Sanskrit names and their English names also. First picture is Asanda. Asandah. Asandah means chair. Then the second picture is Syutah. Syutah. It means bag or school bag. Then the next picture is Patrabharah. Patrabharah. It means paperweight. The next is Samekarah. Samekarah. It means iron. Iron. Then the next picture is Brahmanbhashah. Brahmanbhashah. It means mobile phone. Then Parvatah. Parvatah. It means mountain. Then the next picture is Paryanka. Paryanka. It means cot. Then the next one is Kataha. Kataha. It means mat. Then the next one is Dandadipah. Dandadipah. It means tube light. Then the next one is Padapah. Padapah. It means tree. Then Chashakah. Chashakah. It means glass. Then the last one is Kandukah. Kandukah. It means ball. Right? Now the next page. Chitrapadani 2. And the first picture is Nauka. Nauka. Nauka means boat. Then the next picture is Randrika. Randrika. It means punch. Then the third picture is Mapika. Mapika. It means ruler. The next picture is Patra Petika. Patra Petika. It means post box. Then Vriksha Shaika. Vriksha Shaika. It means squirrel. Then Agni Petika. Agni Petika. It means matchbox. Then Shuchika. Shuchika. It means needle. Japmala. Japmala. It means rosary. Then Tula. Tula. It means scale or balance scale. The next one is Sammarjani. Sammarjani. It means broom. Then Yojini. Yojini. It means stapler. Neshrini. Neshrini. It means ladder. The last one is ladder. Now this is our third page, Chitrapadani 3. First picture is Yutakam. Yutakam. It means shirt. Then the next picture is Upnetram. Upnetram. It means spectacles. Then next is Kankatam. Kankatam. It means comb. Then the next one is Argalam. Argalam. It means stopper. Then Parnam. Parnam. It means leaf. Then the next one is Vyajanam. Vyajanam. It means fan. Then Amraphalam. Amraphalam. It means mango. Then the next one is Gruham. Gruham. It means house. The next one is Sanganakam. Sanganakam. It means computer. Then the next one is Dwaram. Dwaram. It means door. Then Fenakam. Fenakam. It means soap. And the last one is Vatayanam. Vatayanam. It means window. Okay, students? Remember these names and thus their pictures. Now we will do one exercise. Chitrapadani 1, 2, 3. It means words through pictures. 1, 2, 3. The first question is, for each of the given questions, choose the option that is its correct answer and write the letter corresponding to the answer in the given box or in the box provided. It means MCQ. So, our first question is, which picture is this? Which picture is this? Options are Chashakah, Asandah, Asanam and Paryankah. Chashakah, Asandah, Asanam and Paryankah. The right answer is Asandah. Asandah means chair. Okay, students. Now the second question is, which picture is this? Which picture is this? The options are Syutah, Katah, Samikarah, Kandukah. Syutah, Katah, Samikarah, Kandukah. The answer is A. Syutah. Syutah means bag or school bag. Now the third question is, which picture is this? Which picture is this? Options are Asandah, Shayanam, Shayya and Paryankah. Asandah, Shayanam, Shayya and Paryankah. The correct answer is option D, Paryankah. Paryankah means cot. Okay. Now the fourth question is, which picture is this? Which picture is this? Options are Asanam, Katah, Chashakah, Samikarah. I repeat, Asanam, Katah, Chashakah, Samikarah. The correct answer is option B, Katah. Katah means mat. Now the next question is, which picture is this? Which picture is this? The options are Chashakah, Asandah, Syutah, Jalpatram. Chashakah, Asandah, Syutah, Jalpatram. The correct answer is option A. Chashakah. Chashakah means glass. Right? Now the next question. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? The options are Patrabharah, Syutah, Kandukah, Katah. Patrabharah, Syutah, Kandukah, Katah. The correct answer is Kandukah. Option C, Kandukah. Kandukah means ball. Okay. Now the next question is, which picture is this? Which picture is this? The options are Sammarjani, Nishreniha, Dandah, Katah. Sammarjani, Nishreniha, Dandah, Katah. The correct answer is option A, Sammarjani. Sammarjani means broom. Now the next question is, which picture is this? Which picture is this? The options are Yojini, Mapika, Randrika, Tula. Yojini, Mapika, Randrika, Tula. The correct answer is Randrika. Yes, option C, Randrika. It means punch. Now, question number 9. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? Options are Yojini, Randrika, Sammarjani, Suchi. Yojini, Randrika, Sammarjani, Suchi. The correct answer is option A, Yojini. Yojini means stapler. Now the next question is, which animal is there in the picture? Which animal is there in the picture? The options are Mushakah, Shashakah, Shaika and Vrukshashaika. I repeat, Mushakah, Shashakah, Shaika and Vrukshashaika. The correct answer is option D, Vrukshashaika. Vrukshashaika means squirrel. This is squirrel. Then the next question is, which picture is this? Which picture is this? The options are Sammarjani, Shuchika, Neshrini, Tula. Sammarjani, Shuchika, Neshrini, Tula. The correct answer is option C, Neshrini. Neshrini means ladder. Now the next question is, which picture is this? Which picture is this? The options are Vastram, Yutakam, Kankatam, Argalam. Vastram, Yutakam, Kankatam, Argalam. The correct answer is option B, Yutakam. Yutakam means shirt. The next question is, which picture is this? Which picture is this? The options are Vyanjanam, Kankatam, Fenkam, Yutakam. Vyanjanam, Kankatam, Fenkam, Yutakam. The correct answer is option B, Kankatam. Kankatam means comb. Which picture is this? Which picture is this? The options are Vyajanam, Parnam, Fenakam, Argalam. Vyajanam, Parnam, Fenakam, Argalam. The correct answer is option A, Vyajanam. Vyajanam means fan. Now the next question is, which picture is this? Which picture is this? The options are Gruham, Kuti, Yutakam, Dwaram. Gruham, Kuti, Yutakam, Dwaram. The correct answer is option A, Gruham. Gruham means house. This is a house. Now, the next question is, which picture is this? Which picture is this? Chitram, Sanganakam, Durdarshanam, Darshanam. Chitram, Sanganakam, Durdarshanam and Darshanam. The correct answer is option B, Sanganakam. Sanganakam, it means computer. Next question is, what is the meaning of the word Shuchika? What is the meaning of the word Shuchika? The options are broomstick, needle, chair, pios. The correct answer is needle. Needle means Shuchika. But there are wrong spell of needle. The correct spell of needle is Needle. Needle. Now the next question is, what is the meaning of the word Nishreniha? What is the meaning of the word Nishreniha? Options are ladder, sai, sign, school. Ladder, sai, sign, school. The correct answer is ladder. Ladder means Nishreniha and Nishreniha means ladder. Now the last question is, what is the meaning of the word Argalam? What is the meaning of the word Argalam? The options are computer, window, stopper, fan. Computer, window, stopper or fan. The correct answer is stopper. Stopper means Argalam. Argalam means stopper. Now, question number 2. Watch the following pictures and write the Sanskrit names of the picture in the blank given below it. Watch the given pictures and you have to write their Sanskrit names in the blanks. The first picture is, what is this? This is paperweight and we called paperweight, we called Patrabharam in Sanskrit. The second picture is, what is this? This is iron. This is an iron. So, we have to write their Sanskrit name in blanks, in the blank. So, we have to write Samikaraha. Samikaraha. Samikaraha means iron. Then the next picture is mobile phone, right? So, write Brahman Bhasha. Brahman Bhashah. Brahman Bhashah means mobile phone. The next picture is Parvata. Write Parvata. Parvata means mountains. The next picture is tube light. Tube light. So what should we write here? Dand Deepa. Dand Deepa. It means tube light. Then the next picture is about tree. Tree. Padapaha. Padapaha means tree. The next picture is Nauka. Nauka. It means boat. The next picture is of ruler. Ruler. So what should we write here? Mapika. Mapika means ruler. Then the next one is Patra Petika. Patra Petika. It means post box. Post box. Then the next picture of matchbox. So what should we write here? Name of its Sanskrit name is Agni Petika. Matchbox means Agni Petika. Then the next picture is Shuchika. Shuchika means needle. The next is Japmala. Japmala. It means rosary. Then the next one is Tula. Tula. It means balance scale. Then next picture is about spectacles. So what would we write here? Upnetram. Upnetram. It means spectacles. Then the next picture is about stopper. And the Sanskrit name of stopper is Argalam. Argalam. So write here Argalam. It means stopper. Then the next picture of about a leaf. Leaf. So what should we write here? Parnam. Parnam. Parnam means leaf. Then the next picture is about mango. So write here Amra Phalam. Amra Phalam. It means mango. The next picture is of a house. House. It means Gruham. Gruham means house. or it may be dwaram. Dwaram means door. Then the next one is about soap. Soap. Its Sanskrit name is Phenakam. Phenakam. It means soap. And the last picture is about window. There is a window, and its Sanskrit name is Vatayanam. Vatayanam. It means window. Now there is one exercise. Write the Sanskrit name of 4 household things from above pictures in the given below and write their English names against them. So you have to write 4 household things and their English names against them. So write household things. First is Sammarjani. Sammarjani means broom. Second is Chashakaha. Chashakaha means glass. Then Kataha. Kataha, it means mat. And Kankatam. Kankatam, it means comb. Okay. Now move on our third exercise. Find out the true meaning of given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. Find out the true meaning of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. There are 6 names given here in Sanskrit and their English names given in front of it. So we have to find their true names, true meaning. First is Kataha. Kataha. And there are given 2 options, scissors or mat. So we have to find the true meaning of Kataha. Kataha means mat. Right? So we have to write mat here. Then the second one is Chashakaha. Chashakaha. And there are 2 options are given here, glass or to sleep. Glass or to sleep. So find out the correct answer. Chashaka means glass. So write glass here. Then the third one is Sammarjani. Sammarjani. The options are ladder or broomstick. Ladder or broomstick. So find the correct answer of Sammarjani. Sammarjani means broom or broomstick. So write here broomstick. Then the next one is Tula. Tula means there are 2 options are here, needle or scale. Needle or scale. So find the correct meaning of Tula. Tula means scale. Tula means scale. The next one is Vyajanam. Vyajanam. Vyajanam options are consonant or fan. Consonant or fan. So Vyajanam means fan. Right? Then the last one is Upnetram. Upnetram. Upnetram, and there are two options are given here: shirt or spectacles. Shirt or spectacles. So the correct answer is spectacles. Upnetram means spectacle. Okay, students. So students, this is all about our first chapter revision part. You have to write in your notebook, and this is all about today. We will meet in our next lecture with next chapter. Okay, thank you.